Do you know the power of a drop of water? Water is the source of all life and the driving force behind industry. Even though water on Earth is limited, we are wasting too much with the excuse of development. To ensure that future generations can enjoy the water and environment we enjoy today, PureNViTech is leading the water technology industry for sustainable growth and the future environment. Today, where global competitiveness is intensifying, the parts industry is emerging as a national industry that will lead the future of industry.
퓨어엔비텍은 분리막을 기반으로 하는 소재, 부품, 장비 전문 회사로서 올해 25주년이 되었습니다. 가정용 정수기 분리막을 제조하기 위하여 창업하였으며 분리막 전문 회사로서 국내 창업 1호입니다. IMF 당시 고가의 수입 제품을 국산화하였으며 그 후 하폐수처리용 MBR 분리막, 반도체급 초순수 제조용 UF 분리막, 식품 바이오 분야의 MF 분리막을 개발하였습니다.
PureNViTech has been constantly striving to satisfy customers based on perfect quality control. In order to become the best company in separator membranes, we established a technology research center in 2003 for the development of new technologies. Through joint research with universities and related companies, we have acquired new technologies by developing separator membranes and efficient wastewater treatment processes, and are expanding our business to large sewage treatment plants by developing industrial flat sheet membranes. Furthermore, we are gaining global competitiveness by receiving overseas certifications.
저희 퓨어엔비텍은 2000년도에 대통령 표장을 수상하였고 2017년에는 대한민국 건설환경기술상을 수상했습니다. 또한 ISO 14001을 획득하였고 이외에도 40여 건의 특허를 보유하고 있으며 총 4건의 환경신기술을 획득하였습니다.
Since one of the core separator membrane technologies is efficient design, PureNViTech is looking for the optimal design through various simulations. We are doing our best with a sense of purpose and entrepreneurship, taking responsibility for the environment of the future through means such as initiating development of pharmaceutical separator membranes for the first time in Korea. The Envis separator membrane produced at the PureNViTech Hwasong plant has excellent purification capacity and can be reused without additional treatment as it treats contaminated water evenly with 2 nozzles. PureNViTech has been manufacturing Envis separator membranes for over 20 years, exports them to 10 countries around the world, including Japan, China, and India, and they have been installed in nearly 1,400 locations in Korea.
MBS 분리막으로 20건 정도의 특허를 출원했습니다. 특히 2분할 분리막 모듈은 경쟁사 대비 내구성이 30% 이상 향상되어 고객분들의 신뢰도가 높습니다. MBS 분리막은 CPVC 소재를 사용하여 미생물 저항성이 높고 오염에 강합니다.
We produce energy-saving large-capacity SBM block-type separator membranes for wastewater treatment that are easy to manage via replacing only the contaminated blocks through an uncontamination block, which makes it possible to check whether there is contamination or damage. We also produce portable MBR packages that are easy to install in areas where it is difficult to secure a site, such as a disaster area or island area, as it is manufactured to comply with international standard container specifications. The separator membranes produced at the PureNViTech Shihong plant includes Globe UF, a hollow fiber membrane using polysulfone, which is excellent for chemicals and heat, for home and industrial use with excellent sterilization and turbidity removal. The capillary membrane filter, an innovative separator membrane that overcomes the limitations of existing hollow fiber membranes and separator membranes, and flower membrane developed by PureNViTech, are excellent for purification of turbid contaminated water due to high economic efficiency, high degree of integration, and improved durability and chemical resistance, and is creating a new paradigm for membranes. In addition, PureNViTech developed a package system to provide a one-stop solution from design to construction. We design and construct an MF-UF package system with excellent functions for village water and sewage, underground water, industrial water treatment, food purification, and cell separation, and an NF-RO package system that is essential for semiconductor industry ultra-pure water manufacturing companies or pharmaceutical and bioproduction processes. With the belief that the only way to increase national competitiveness and enhance corporate competitiveness in the global economy is the localization of the parts industry, PureNViTech is doing its best to manufacture and produce separator membranes. Many water purification facilities in Korea still use foreign separator membranes. PureNViTech has developed separator membranes of the same size as universal standard and with improved performance according to facility needs, making it easy to replace foreign separator membranes, just like replacing a used battery. PureNViTech is a leading water technology company that enhances the competitiveness of Korea's key industries and makes the living environment cleaner and more prosperous. PureNViTech.